Friends and lovers. Is Alice's birthday the only eventful occasion this week? Or is there something else? Watch to find out.
Sharon! Alice's birthday is today. Should we go over the plan once again?
Yes, that would be nice. We are doing a surprise party, right? I think that would be really exciting.
I agree. So let's first start with the guest list. We're already invited Tom, David, Mary.
What about Mr. Alex? He has always been busy as a director and hasn't spent much time with her. I think they are not on very good terms with each other. Why don't we invite him so they can mend their relationship with each other?
I already reached out to him, though. He said he wasn't sure if he could make it.
Oh, well, let's talk about the cake then. What cake did we get for her?
Chocolate is her favorite, so we got a 2-tier chocolate cake.
Sounds good. Peter ordered it, right? The bakery he orders from is so good.
That's nice. What about Jack? What did he agree to help with?
I think he agreed to buy some balloons and decorations.
Okay. So we only have to buy her gifts now, right?
Yes. What do you think would make a good present?
She borrowed my hat last time, so maybe something like that?
Good enough. Let's get that for her.
Hello, you two! What are you doing here? Am I missing out on something?
Oh, it's nothing. By the way, happy birthday to you, Alice.
Thank you so much, Anne.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Sharon.
Well, have you got any plans to celebrate your birthday tonight, Alice?
I was thinking I could spend it with you guys. What do you think?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Jack said he already had plans for tonight and he couldn't get himself out of them. I also have a meeting with my clients scheduled since last week.
Oh, really? That's so sad. What about you, Sharon? Are you free tonight?
I promised to go to the musical theater with Peter already. I am really sorry for not being able to stay.
What a shame. Welcome to my birthday party, everyone! Oh, I forgot. No one is home tonight. Such a shame. I wanted this birthday to be special. I have always had to spend it alone. Oh, what? What happens?
Surprise! Happy birthday to you, Alice!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alice. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Alice!
Oh my god, what a surprise! Thank you so much, everyone. I thought you guys all had your own plans. How did I not know?
Come on, Alice. We wouldn't miss it for the world. You are like family to us.
Aw, thank you so much. I love you guys. We love you too. Now, make a wish.
Wait, don't blow out the candles yet. We have a bigger surprise for you. Please, pay attention. You can come out now. Everyone, welcome Mr. Alex.
Dad? Dad, why are you here? Why, it's my little girl's birthday. Of course I am here. Happy birthday, honey. Oh, this is so emotional. Thank you, Dad. I love you. I love you too, honey. By the way, I thought you would enjoy a vacation with me next month. I am filming a movie at a beach site, and I would love for you to come along. I will pay for everything. You are the best, Dad.
We hope you are happy with this party. We started planning this morning and we're in a rush.
I love it. Thank you guys again.
I propose a toast. Give it up for our youngest but most caring, sometimes annoying, but still very lovable little sister.
Cheers!
Let's open your presents, Alice.
Oh, there are presents? Let's see if you guys really know me.
Oh, hi, Jack. Do you know where Anne is right now? I am looking for her.
No, I have not seen her this entire morning. Is there something important?
Not really. Well, I will come back later then. See you, Jack.
Actually, do you want to sit down, Sharon? I want to talk to you.
Okay.
What's up with you lately? You don't look so happy.
It's nothing, Jack. I'm perfectly fine.
Sharon, I have known you for 10 years, more or less. Do you think I would be fooled by that?
What do you want from me, Jack?
Actually, you know what? Let me get straight to the point. I don't think it's a good idea for you to move to Japan with Peter. Your life is here, Sharon. Your job, your friends, your family, and me as well. I still have feelings for you. I have always loved you, Sharon. I know you still have feelings for me too, but you were just in denial.
What can I do then? Tell me!
Tell Peter everything, Sharon. Tell him that you will not go to Japan with him. Break up with him.
Why can't you just leave me alone, Jack? Why do you have to make it this hard?
All he ever cares about is his job. He does not care for you, Sharon. Don't you see that? I am not like that. I will always be by your side, no matter what. Please don't ignore my feelings and yours like this anymore.
Really? Will you always be by my side?
Of course, Sharon. I am always here for you, right? Whenever you need me, I am right here. Just break up with Peter and we can be together.
I don't know, Jack. I wish things are as simple as that.
They are what you make of them, Sharon. I know you know this is the right thing to do. What is going on here? Why are you holding my girlfriend's hand?
It is not what you think it is, Peter.
Oh, please, it is exactly what I think it is.
Can we talk about this at home, please?
How about no? I am not going anywhere. You two have some explaining to do.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.